everyone, Lego Gamer 5502 here, and I'm here with my first mini mock. So I have a time lapse that I want you guys to look at, and once you guys have looked at the time lapse, I'm going to go into the review of this mini mock. So here's just a good view of it. I'm actually going to bring it into some light so that you can see it better. So here's a good view of it. It's pretty empty around the back. And here is the time lapse. Okay guys, so now that you've seen the time lapse, I'm going to get into the review. So what I have here is, this is going to be called Battle by the Waterfall. It's really not that big of a deal. This is number 1, so it's definitely not going to be my best. But this is number 1 of the mini mock series. So these clone troopers are crash landed on this planet, and they find droids, and so basically they're fighting to the death. So I have a commando droid. He is right here. He's taking the sword to 501st Trooper. And then I have a super battle droid. It's kind of custom, so I put a different arms in, made custom arms. Here's a comm link, and just a normal battle droid and an assassin droid. So, and then over here I have the dying 501st Trooper. Unfortunately, I have Commander Gree, or just a I don't know. And then I have a normal stormtrooper that has a clone trooper that has this visor. And here I don't really have much features, but the ground pretty much has a ramp right here, and I made the waterfall. The back of the design is a bit crude, but it works. So I'm gonna put some troopers on the top here. Well, you could if you were to do this. Who knows? I might make a step-by-step tutorial. Probably not. But who knows? So thank you all for watching this quick video for my first mini mock. This is going to be a series. I'm going to make a playlist. So I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you all later. Alright, bye!